This is lesson 30, improving performance. The objective is to review some important points pertaining to the performance of SQL Server. There are no statements to put in, but a few things that we need to go over concerning performance. All SQL servers have specific hardware recommendations. You can use any computer as a database server when you're learning and just messing with the SQL server. But in production, you need to adhere to the recommendations. As a rule, critical production database management systems should run on their own dedicated servers. SQL is pre-configured with default settings, and that's a good place to start, but you need to mess with the memory allocation, buffer sizes, etc. SQL Server is multi-user, multi-threaded database management system, so that means that it will perform multiple tasks at the same time. There's more than one way to write a select statement, so you can experiment with joins, unions, subqueries to find out the best way for you and whatever data you are putting into your server. When the SQL Server processes statements, it breaks to smaller requests, and this helps with processing time. Generally, stored procedures will execute faster than individual SQL statements. It's better to use a stored procedure. Always use the right data types. Never retrieve more data than you need. If databases need to be indexed, then determining what to index, it will be a big project. You'll need to analyze using select statements to find the recurring where and order by clauses. If you use multiple select statements and union statements to connect those statements, instead of or conditions, then there might be better performance by your server. Indexes improve your performance, but it hurts the performance of data insertion, deletion, and updating. So if you have a table that collects data but isn't searched very often, don't index them until you need to. So using the like is a slow statement. You're better off using full text searching, like with free text or contains, because databases are constantly changing and constantly updating and gathering information. You need to keep tabs on your table usage and contents. That way you can constantly optimize and configure your database to be a well-oiled machine. As always, you can always tweak any of the general rules or recommendations to suit your needs. If something works better for you than what is a usual standard in improving performance, then do so. And that was lesson 30, improving performance.